This video will demonstrate how to make a non-regular cubeoctahedron using 216 magnetic or buckyballs. Now this is the number of magnetic balls that will come in a set of 6 by 6 by 6. First you start out with 6 balls and you wrap around twice. Here's the first wrap. Here's the second wrap. Let's fill in the center and do this again. So start with 6, wrap around twice, fill in the center. Now the second hexagon we'll make into a 4 or 5 hexagon by wrapping around 3 of the edges. 1, 2, 3. And the side that has 5 needs to alternate when it fits with the other one. Okay, so now we can fold it over, and every other side will have the balls lining up and then in between, lining up in between. The ones that the balls are in between will become the triangle side, whereas this will be the rectangle. So the next layer will need a length of 4 and 3. So let's start with a triangle. Start with 6 balls, squish it into a triangle, and wrap around. Okay. I'm going to wrap around the edges of 3 of the sides. So now we have a 4 and a 3. The 3 needs to line up, alternating on the side of the triangle, and the 4 needs to line up straight on. Okay. The next length will need a 4, 2. Again, start with a triangle. So 6 balls, squished into a triangle, wrapped around. The 2 needs to be alternating on the side with the triangle, and the 4 needs to be lined up straight on. Right now we have a square and almost a triangle. Okay, the last side, last layer here, will have a length of 4 and 1, so it'll just be a triangle. Four, 3, 2. Let's make sure it's alternating on this edge. Just turn it around, fold it over, and then squish together. And you'll see there's room for one more ball. So we'll split this off and fit it in. Let's start working on the other side. Other hemisphere, I suppose, would be called. Now, we need a rectangle on this side and a triangle on this side. So we'll have a length of 3 here and 5 here. So a 3, 5 triangle. Let's start with a triangle. Pull off 6, squish into a triangle, wrap around. Okay, let's wrap around again. So we have a length of 5 and a length of 3, which is what we wanted. The 3 fits up against this 4 here, alternating, and then the length of 5 should be straight on. Next we'll need, again, a length of 5, and then 2. So let's start with a triangle. So, split off 6, squish together, wrap around. And then, let's see, now we need a 2. So this is 4-2. To make it into a 5-2, we would just wrap around one side. Okay. Should alternate here. Looks like it's lining up. I want to turn this around. Okay, now the 5s are lined up. And we have one more side. One more layer. This time we'll start with just 3 and wrap around. So we'll have a 3-2 triangle, and then we'll just add a ball to each of the corners. Okay, we want it alternating. And we're going to push it together on this side until it snaps in place. And there you have it, a non-regular cubeoctahedron that uses exactly 216 magnetic balls. Thank you for watching.